And this one is a parabolic, and it's one where I try not to play favorites, but it's hard to not. It's the SUNplicity. Alain Bivas, my undergraduate was in theater, and he was a mime, a professional mime, who stumbled across a pamphlet on solar cooking by Joe Radabaugh, who later turned that pamphlet into a book. And Alain told me, he said, the day he saw that, he said, I'm done miming. I'm going to design the best solar cooker ever made. And he's come damn close. This thing is a parabolic, which is a very uh, uh, powerful shape to begin with, totally collapsible into about 1.5 inch frame, maybe 2 feet by 8 inches, 10 inches. 10 pounds, you can bungee cord it to a backpack. I put it in the trunk of my car whenever I go on my solar cooking road trips. It's the only cooker I use when I go out.
How much would that cost me if I ordered such a thing?
Well, the great thing with Alain is he said, I don't want to use any plastic parts. He just has, and right away you're talking metal, so you're talking more expensive. It's what they call spectral grade aluminum, so very highly polished and kind of a ceramic coating to prevent scratches and let it age. It won't corrode over time. Right now it's in the 500 euro range, 450 to 500 euros, which is about 550, 600 here.
And how long, if I took care of it, which I haven't with my other ones because I leave them out in the rain and the wind, but because I forget. But how long would this last, do you think?
The SUNplicity, I think pretty much forever. It's a very high quality